everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we'll take a look at just an awesome 1968 AMC AMX 390 Go Pack car. Beautiful car, guys. Bought this from an older man out of Kentucky. Actually, a buddy of mine, Scott, got it for me. Bought it from an older man out of Kentucky. But I guess the car originally came from Arizona. It's about an 8-year-old body-up restoration and extremely nice. Factory Matador red car. It's got the black striping that goes across the hood, roof, and deck lid. Factory black vinyl interior. Again, original 390 Go Pack car. Very nice. It's tough for me. Most of the time when I look at these cars, guys, they're pretty beat up. And this one's slick. This one is very, very nice. Gorgeous Matador red paint. Very nice interior. Car runs and drives excellent. It's got a nice little cam to it. They built that 390 up a little bit. And as we walk around, you'll see the trim and stuff is very, very nice on this car. I really dig this car, man. Pretty car. It's lowered down a little bit. So it's got that good muscle car stance. Of course, it's got 18-inch torque thrust 2 American racing wheels on it. All brand new ZR rated rubber. But look how nice that trim is, other than little water spots. But that trim is nice. Most of the time, if you've been looking at these cars, you know that it's kind of beat up. Front spoiler, those bumpers are in great shape. Definitely new front and rear bumpers or refurbished front and rear bumpers. It's got that cool hood in 68. Again, look how nice that trim and stainless is. Glass is very nice, fits good. Dash is really nice. You know, I tell you, most everything works, and one thing I found, the wipers don't work, so I'll have Steve take a peek at that, see what we can do. I know a new wiper motor for this car is like $368 if you can find one. Glass is nice. You can see it's got the custom speakers in the back. It's got a complete custom sound system in it. Fit and finish is very nice for an AMC. These cars weren't known for that. Sorry about the water spots, guys. That'll clean up. There's a little pitting here on both the little taillight bezels. You can see that car is nice and flat down the sides. Again, brand new rubber, brand new wheels. You see a little bumperettes on it. Got the chrome tips. Car sits good. It's been lowered down 2 inches all the way around. Little stone peck that's been touched up there. Now this is a sweet car, man. Really nice car. Got brand new wheels, brand new tires. Car's very nice underneath. Still a lot of the original undercoat underneath. Front disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, 390 Go Pack car. They built the motor a little bit. Still runs on pump gas. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Nice little camshaft. You can see it's got an HEI distributor in it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's an FMX automatic trans. It's got a nice set of ceramic headers. You can see it's got those finned aluminum Offenhauser valve covers. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood. There's an electric fan there on the radiator. And drives out excellent. Good car. Pretty paint on the car. Those wipers are all hooked up, but I don't know, I couldn't get them to come on. That switch felt a little funny though when I was turning it, so maybe it's something in the switch if we're lucky. I saw one, see a little crack in the dash over there. Glass is good, couple little marks in it. Mirrors are really nice, those almost look new. Again, all this stainless is really nice. Door handles, you can nitpick a little bit. These are definitely new door rubbers, original door tag. And again, this is a factory color combo. Matador red with a black vinyl. See a couple little marks there on your armrest. Interior's really nice though. I'd say those are the original sill plates. Bucket seats, console, factory dash. It's actually a factory tack and gauge car. The factory tack isn't working, so they put that Mallory tack. $88,093, that's supposed to be the original mileage. Blower motor works, gauges work. I know the interior lights works. You got some aftermarket gauges there, all custom sound system. A little crack there in your steering wheel. It's Dynomax dual exhaust. Factory rear end with a 323 limited slip rear end. Sorry guys, my guys didn't get in here and wipe the jams very. We're rushing, it's not all their fault. I'm trying to get these videos shot. I've got quite a few cars that have just come in, and I know people are driving the boys crazy trying to get videos and pictures done. And of course I'm leaving again for a show this weekend. Factory inflatable spare, the jack is underneath. We've ordered the hold down with the little hook that'll hold it down. I just didn't want to hold up the video to shoot it. See, the car's clean. Very nicely restored car. Trunk light works. That is a good car. Bunch of new stuff coming too, guys. I know you guys have seen it on the web. I try to get these things advertised just as fast as I can. It's not easy. I try to shoot all my own videos and take all my own pictures. Of course, we always got to deal with Mother Nature. How clean the bottom of those doors are. It's just a really good looking car. And again, man, I look at a lot of these cars and most of them are just beat up. It's hard to find, you know, parts for these cars. I dig it. Very nice car. Gauges are nice. They must have had a crack there. They fixed that little console. We'll have Jordy fire it up. Glass is good. Nice little cam to it. Runs on pump gas. Nothing crazy. Well, I like this car a lot, man. Whoever gets this car is getting a good, fun car. This car's got a great look to it, especially when you lower them down a little bit. I mean, that car just looks sweet. Tack works. Again, it's got a factory tack. It's not working. Gauges are working. Aftermarket gauges, all those working down there, Jordy. Yeah, oil pressure.
The water.
Oh, the temp. Oh, I think the temp is on the what do you call it? I don't know. I know the. Hit your brakes, Jordy. I know the brake lights were working. We're gonna have to check that unless we did something. Your brake lights aren't on, so use your tail lamps when you're going down the road. We'll check that, guys. I know they were working, so I don't know if we got in here when the boys were detailing it and hit that brake switch. Works, you just gotta find a station. I know that works. Blower motor does work. Wipers do not work. Again, I will have Steve take a peek at that. Again, make sure you keep track of our website. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Also, guys, keep track of our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that. That way you get notified every time I post one of these videos. Man, it's just puzzling about those brake lights, man. They were just working. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.